Hello everyone, it is Tablescape Tuesday. So happy to have you here with us on today, and I hope all is well. And on today I'm sharing with you my Summer's Blue Blossom Tablescape. And it's that time of the year when we have to transition from summer to fall. And so this is part of my Transitional Summer to Fall Tablescape series. And also on today, I am creating another centerpiece. You don't want to miss it, so you got to stay tuned. So today, folks, I have two garlands, and I am actually using the second one as a filler to give this garland a lush look. It has some sparse spaces, and I just wanted to fill it up with another garland. That was one reason, and then the second reason is so that I will be able to put the centerpiece in the middle and in between the two garlands, so that it's not just sitting on one side of the garland. And I also wanted to share another tip with you guys on today, and that is that when I buy my flowers, I like to buy them by the bush. You know, sometimes I will buy the stems, but those stems can get very expensive. And so what I will do is I'll buy the bush, and then I will separate the blooms so that it's easier for me to make a centerpiece. Not only is it easier, but it's also cost effective. So if you are looking to buy stems, just know that you're going to spend a little bit more on stems. Consider buying bushes. This will allow you a variety of ways to create centerpieces. folks, this is all that I have for you on today. I certainly hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for visiting the channel and watching this video on today. If you happen to be new, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you want to do so. I upload a video every week with a different theme. I look forward to seeing you all on next week. Have a wonderful week. Take care and God bless.